Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and I got my second one of other packages that I'm expecting. This is the mystery yarn package I bought off Etsy from Lori at Armchair Chef. So I'm excited to see what we got. So let us get started. Oh, now I gotta try to open you without either cutting the yarn. This might take a bit. Okay, I think I got enough of it open to get started with it. Alright, on top, it looks like I got some mill ends. Fashion Plus mill end assortment. It says amazing value. It says on the package it's 100% acrylic. It should weigh about 14 ounces. So, okay, I'm trying to figure out what this is. Okay, well, it feels very soft. I'm gonna guess that's about, I would say about a 3 weight yarn. So yeah, it's very soft. This will probably make like a size 3, and that might be I don't know what project I would use for it yet, but I got 2 of these mill ends. That is like a lot. Oh, I have a non-yarny type item, which it did say. So this is Bath and Body Works Aromatherapy Body Cream, Orange and Ginger. Okay, I'm not sure if that is my style, but it smells very nice. So I got a big thing of body cream. Body cream. Yeah, I do believe it says, if you check out her Etsy shop, it does say that she usually throws a Bath and Body Works item in there. Okay, I have another mill end. Right, I'm not sure where this would come. I mean, you can let me know if it's like from Joann's or some other store, Mary Maxim. Might have seen something like this at Joann's once upon a time. Again, it's another Fashion Plus. Weight 14 ounces, 100% acrylic. It's probably the same as the one I just showed you, except a different color. And I just had the scissors, and I just lost the scissors. I swear, I do that all the time. I think I can never. Suppose I have another pair floating around too. Alright, so yeah, I think it's the same other than we got some, I don't know if you can see the colors in that. Some green, some purple, some obviously white, and maybe an orange-ish color or pinkish color. That's very nice. So I got like this, I think, with this and that green would probably make a very good, probably a blanket project of some kind, or a shawl, or maybe even something like maybe a sweater, a cardigan even. So yeah, that's enough to make a decent sized project with this and the other one I just showed you. The pinkish one. The pinkish one. Is that a term? Pinkish? Alright, let's see what else I got. Oh, some Urban Chick yarn. See, I actually already have another ball of Urban Chick, and that's a different color, so that could mix these two with the other one, might make another interesting project. So anyway, this is Yarn Bee Urban Chick. It is a 3.5 ounce ball, 275 yards. Color is berry/03. So it's berry color. Very nice. And this one is also a urban chick. This is the same thing, 3.5 ounces, 275 yards. Color is Caribbean Vibes. That is nice. You'll have, I mean, I don't go to Hobby Lobby that often. You'll have to let me know if they still make this yarn or if it's discontinued. I'll have to check that out. Yeah, I got now this and this. I had a brown one, a brownish one, but I think that went out for Mystery Yarn Challenge, hosted by Armchair Chef. But I have I think a green one that might go with this. So I got those two. And this is the last one. This is probably a yarn I've never had before, so it's not familiar to me. Oh, Miriam Mist. Feels light, soft, and it's very red. Let's see, this is a size 3 yarn, and I do recommend a size F hook. Let's see what they got. It's a 50-gram ball, 1.75 ounces, 153 meters or 164 yards. Let's see. Well, hand wash. This gets hand washed only. Let's see. I'm trying to find the color, other than it's red. Okay, I was trying to think if they got a color on here. Made in Turkey. I'm guessing you can, if you want one, you can get it from universalyarns.com. Wash. Okay. It's a size 3, I said that already. Size F hook. It's 60% viscose, 20% acrylic, and 20% fine merino. Super wash. Oh, the color might be right there sitting up front. I think that's the color, Mist. Let me know if that's what you think, if that is the color. So finally I have 4 of these. Okay, I think it's definitely, so far this is the second mystery box that I got from Lori. So do check out, I'll leave the link for her Etsy shop, so do check it out if you want to try some mystery yarn. I think so far I've gotten other mystery yarns off Etsy. I mean they were all pretty good, but I think so far I have enjoyed Lori's the most. So, okay, I'm trying to think if I have anything else going on other than I know that there's at least a couple more packages coming yet that I'm expecting. One of them is the Mystery Yarn Challenge box for September, and I think I have another. The yarn, like I said, I bought off the Facebook ad. I think I got some more yarn coming that I got from there that was off clearance. So, if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Alright, okay, now I'm kind of back because I had this one before. So I'm trying to figure out, hey, can you work these 3 together? What do you think? So, let me know what you think in the comments about these 3 colors together.